Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Threads app keeps crashing on your iPhone. Just recently a bug caused Thread iOS app to crash immediately upon opening, causing frustration among users. So if you have this problem, then let me show you how you can fix this, how you can fix your Threads apps if it keeps crashing on your iPhone. Let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So the first step is check your internet connection. Before attempting to troubleshoot any issues, make sure you have a strong connection. When you are on a weak Wi-Fi connection or relying on slowly on your mobile data, Thread may not be able to load and work properly. So make sure that you switch between Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you're using mobile data, make sure that you turn on the Wi-Fi and then try to browse anything. If you see that your internet connection is working properly, then the next step is turn airplane mode on or off. Sometimes simply turning airplane mode on for a few seconds before disabling it can help fix all sorts of issues. Doing this will disconnect you from any network connection and could potentially fix the problem. So simply open the control center, turn on the airplane mode and wait for a few seconds. Then you can simply turn it off. And then if the problem is still there, then move on to the next step. Force quit and restart the Thread app. Any app can crash due to temporary glitches or if you have left it running in the background for a long time. Force quitting and restarting the app could fix the problem. Simply swipe up and close the Thread app and open the app again to see if it start working. And if it's still not working, then the last step is uninstall and reinstall the app. For that, you can simply go to settings, then go to general, click on iPhone storage, and then scroll down, then find the Thread apps, click on it, click on offload the app, and you will get the reinstall button. Click on it and go back to your home screen, and the app will start reinstalling again. Once you have done this, the app will start working. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.